Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the uh, weekly analysis for Nifty and Banknifty and what kind of trade plan we are going to execute for this week and the logic behind those trade setup, whatever we are going to execute. Right. So let's get started. I'm in Nifty's weekly chart, and here we can see. So Nifty took support in this support zone around 15,800 750 zone. It took support for a couple of times, and then it broke that level very strongly and closed below last week, sorry. And last week we saw some good rally, good pullback. So we can consider this as a retest rally, right? So after this breakdown, we saw the retest and it might continue on the downside. But so let's go to the 1 hour chart. So here we can see. So yeah, so we are in this exactly on the resistance zone, the zone which acted as support multiple times. Now it is strongly broken and now it is acting as resistance, and we are in the 38 percentage retracement level, right? So this is going to be the strong resistance for some time, quite some time. But in case if it is breaking this level on the upside, if you're seeing some good momentum on this upside, then we can expect this gap filling of 16,180, 16,200 level, which is again 61 percentage the retracement level, right? So this, but for this, it has to first break this level strongly above 38%, which is 15,800 range. It has to break strongly, and then we can expect 16,150 to 16,200, where the gap filling might happen. But still, the trend is sell on rise market only, because the weekly closing is very important. Even if we get a rally on the upside, if Monday, if, for example, if we open gap up and then it might retrace and we might see some pullback till this level 16,150 at 16,200. But the weekly closing is very important because so as we mentioned, as we saw here, right? So it has to close above on the weekly. If that happens, then we can say like for short term that trend is at least we have to become like neutral. We cannot say like we are turning bullish, but at least we should change our stance to neutral. But till then, we should be on the sell on rise mindset only. And the weekly closing is very important. Even if we rally towards 16,000, 16,200 in the daily time frame, but we need to see where the weekly closing is. So if the weekly closing is again back to this level, below this current level 15,700, 800 range, below this, then the trend might continue strongly on the downside. So what we're expecting, the breakdown, whatever happened on the weekly time frame, the breakdown happened here very strongly, and this, we don't know whether this is retest and then the trend might continue on the downside. So we need to wait and see how we are behaving here, right? How the market is behaving in this level, how the price action in this zone. So the 38 percentage retracement, it has to break and we need to close strongly, and then we can expect the gap filling till this level. So this is the expectation, and if that happens, then we need to see after gap filling how the price action tells us, right? If we see any negative closing, negative candle here in 1 hour chart, then we can expect it might come back and it might go again on the upside, or it might fall down again, right, to these levels, which is the ultimate expected level, 14,500 zone. So that is on the long term. Let me go to 15 minutes time chart. So I'm in 15 minutes time frame Nifty chart, and we can see we have this trend line. So any close above this level, above this 700, 750 to 800 level, then we can plan for the long side trade. I will be entering on the long side trade, and the target would be the gap filling or 61 percentage, which is exactly matching. So the gap filling trade around 16,000 180 200 range. So this might be one good trade we can get on the pullback side, pullback on the upside. If we are opening gap down, then we can expect the first target could be 15,350 range. If you are opening gap down of say like 15,500, 550 in this zone, if you are opening, then this could be the first target around 350, and we can expect around this 150 range as a second target. And if in case we are breaking, this may not happen in the immediately on Monday or Tuesday itself, but this is for the whole weekly outlook. So if in case we are breaking this level also 15,150, the recent low, then we can expect a good decline. So it could be around so the expected range of 14,500, right? So this could be the bigger range on the downside, but we have very less chance of happening reaching this level in the coming week itself. So we might, most probably we might roam around this level within this range around 16,200 to 15,200. So we might see Nifty trading between these two levels, 16,200 to 15,200. And if in case we are breaking this level, then 14,500 would be the next target. And why we are saying 14,500? Let me go back to our daily chart. So the next major support is around, so we already broke this level, right? As I told, we broke this level here, and we are in the retest zone. There is a breakdown and we are retesting. Now it might continue, or it might go back and fill the gap, and then we might continue the downside movement. And where it can go, the maximum level could be around this 14,400, 14,500 to 14,300, this range, right? And is there any other so let me take the Fibonacci retracement also will show around the same level. So the 100% retracement. So this is wave 1A, and then the retracement wave from here to here. This is wave A, wave B, and then wave C around 14,400, 500 range. So which is the 100% projection we are getting exactly around that zone, right? So this is the ultimate target could be in Nifty in the upcoming days to weeks. It may or may not happen in the coming week itself. I don't think so it will happen in the coming week, but this could be the ultimate target. Let us see Bank Nifty. So almost similar structure in Bank Nifty also. We are in 38% retracement already happened, and any close above this level, we might see quick 1,000 points, 1,200 points movement on the upside, which I gave in the Telegram group as well on Friday. And the pattern is similar to this May month pattern, whatever we saw. It is exactly happening in the same way. There was a kind of a head and shoulder pattern, and exactly we are in the similar structure in this month also, and we are exactly in this zone where it was facing resistance, and it broke on the upside and gave a good rally. Similarly, we are in this 38% retracement resistance zone. If we give a breakout, so one and only if we get a breakout on the upside, then we can get around 34,650, 750 in this zone. We can get, there may be a gap filling, or this 61% Fibonacci retracement level we can get. But in case if we don't see any breakout on this this level, and if we see any gap down, or if market is continuing on the downside, then for the coming week this could be the target 32. So it can roam between these levels. So it can, let's say like if it opens gap down, then it might roam between these, and any close below 32 300 200 zone, then we can expect similar to Nifty, we can expect here also. Let me check the Fibonacci levels, retracement level. So from here, so it is exactly coming around 30,500 zone, which is again the support zone, right? Support zone. We tested multiple times in the past. So the ABC button, which we can see, right? So this could be the pattern. It's getting formed in Bank Nifty also, right? So the ultimate target similar to Nifty, where it was 14,500 400 zone, and here it is 30,400. So that's the zone we are expecting. But whether it is breaking this zone, the current resistance zone, and going and gap filling, and then the downward journey starts, or it is going to be from here itself we are going to see the downside movement. That is the thing we need to see from next week's trade. From Monday or Tuesday we can get the confirmation on the direction. So this is the view, and this is the logic for my trade plan, how I'm going to execute my trade in the coming weeks. And on the stocks, I will give quickly on the stock as well, couple of stocks. So Axis Bank, first one is Axis Bank. So let me go to 15 minutes in Axis Bank chart. So it gave a very good rally on the upside. In the 15 minutes chart, we can see it gave a fantastic movement on the upside, and then we are trading in this within this small range. It is roaming, and any breakout on the upside or breakdown on the upside, it will give a very good trade. So this is kind of a flag pattern it is forming, and if any close above 636 637 range, then we can see a good move till this 645. That could be the target on the Axis Bank. So I'm looking for trade in this Axis Bank, and the next stock is SBI Life. So here we can see it is exactly in the support zone. It closed near to the support on Friday's trade. So I'm expecting any break below 1075 in SBI. We can get the first target could be around 1070, and then the second target could be around 1065. So this looks weak. We had a good strong closing in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but SBI we can see it closed near to, it was continuously going down, and near to the day low on the support zone it closed. So any close below 1075, we can expect 1070 and 1065 as the target in SBI Life Insurance trade. All right, so this is for this week, and hope you liked it. Hit the like button if you like the content, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to get live update, please join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. Please join the Telegram group as well. Thank you.